It's Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Knowledge rules! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice! Nerd, 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 nerd! Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time! Juice!
Good morning. How we doing? Let's go, let's go. Happy Thursday. Insistence, Pipeline, Time Raccoon, Boy Alvarado, Coke Zero, let's go. Thank you for the resub, brother. 33 months. 33 months of juice. Let's go. Shoutouts PSG. Shoutouts Coke Zero. JPX. Insistence. Liam. Asi. Deneth. Let's go. Blankies. Nerds. Nerds. Kimba AI. Mark. Burgix. Pedro. Tivinal. Calling Noob. Shoutouts Calling Noob. Calling Noob making it rain. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Who's ready? Who juicing? Shwani, good morning. He's ready for some Leituche. Rat Taurus, let's go. G Jones. Pipeline. Pipeline's got his Hermes umbrella out. Bugatti juice, Bugatti, 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 juice, 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 juice. Red leather, yellow leather. Let's get it. Let's get it. JS Kirk, good morning. How we doing? Nitrogen, Time Raccoon. Looking at the dip. Dip the tip on RTH. Yeah. Yeah, quite a move up during ETH session, huh? What a recovery. Amazing. Unreal that they're able to do that on low volume. Unreal. I'm just getting word for the new Lions. And guess what? We got some big giveaways. This is a big end of the week. Big end of the week. We got CPI today. We got all kinds of juice. CPI tomorrow. I'm rated 2 different things at the same time. I'm retarded. Let's go. So we have a huge week. Thursday today, a huge stream schedule. We got CPI tomorrow. We got FOMC next week, and next week is juice. But we got big giveaways coming up too. New Lions, make sure you get in the dashboard, exclamation dashboard, because Blue Feezy's got a little thing coming up. And pretty much New Lions are guaranteed to win on Blue Feezy. BLOFIN, exclamation BLOFIN, exclamation dashboard. So get over there. $100 for each winner. And then we have big giveaways next week. as well. So we know the OGs and veterans. We didn't forget about you either. And we got some big, big things coming up next week. Get in the dashboard and get your UIDs in. You do not have to deposit. But I mean, what are we here for? We're here to trade, aren't we? Don't be reckless. Stop loss, risk management. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, get your UIDs in. Don't forget. Get over there. You can see the whole stream schedule. We got a lot of juice coming for all the Lions, and it's going to be a lot of fun. We had a big week coming up. We got a great end of the week. How was that talent show yesterday? Yeah, the talent show is looking nice. Talent show is looking nice, isn't it? Yeah, they're doing a great job. My voice is so low. Is that better? Like quiet or low? Yeah, we got the talent show. We had the game show last night. Did yeah, you know. Yes, insistence, for sure. Yeah, I do. TradingView doesn't have a great um, footprint tool, but yes. Yeah, Addis and XO are nice for that though. Exclamation XO, exclamation tools. And you can find a lot of the cool tools in the dashboard. Are you working on nerding out with some order flow and footprint? Insistence? I'd like to do a nerd out on it at some point soon. Maybe I'll be able to do one aligned with something that CoinWise does. That'd be pretty cool. CoinWise had a juicy week this week. They completed the release of the single print series, and it is juice. If I don't mind saying myself, it's juice. Exclamation CoinWise. They should still have some of their trials. Yeah, looks like it in the pins. Check it out. Exclamation CoinWise. Give them a shot. All the tools that you see on stream. 14 days free trial. Give it a try. Yeah, it's really, really great indicators. Everything over here, CoinWise, this is buy and sell, relative volume, buy and sell delta, open interest, longs and shorts, CVD, RSI, and you can do a whole lot more with it. And then over here we have just main chart. We got a little bit of levels in VWAP. We got a little bit of TPO and PVP. It's TPO and volume, along with a juicy little setup that actually happened today and hadn't happened in a few days. 80% setup. Now, it wasn't really that juicy of an 80% setup because a full rotation, session rotation was like $1,000 this time, but they completed the rotation for our 80% setup. Juice. Yeah, but that highlights when the conditions are favorable for it to play out. Yeah, shout outs to CoinWise. They got some cool stuff, and they got a lot of really great things coming out soon. Education is building out. They are getting a lot more consistent and adding a lot more content. Have a great release schedule coming up. I've seen some of what they're working on, and it's juice. Here comes the dump before open, volume taking over. I mean, they walked it up. You know, you got to... Yeah. Volume is coming in. Who wants some prediction points in? Well, want it or not. Let's get some prediction points in for market open. Yeah, of course. Insistence. Let's get it. Liam. Exclamation merch. Gotta represent. It's cold as shit here. Gotta rock the lion gear. Got V1. Oh, snap diddly, Schwani. Ace! Let's go, Ace. How we doing? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Liam. Everything is good. I'm good, I'm Gucci. Yeah, let's go. Let's get a little bit of music going. New Lions, if you're just joining in, yeah, I'm hearing that we have a guaranteed giveaway if you're a new Lion and joining up in the BLOFIN. If you haven't won yet, pretty much you are damn near guaranteed to win $100 on BLOFIN. So get in the dashboard. Exclamation giveaway, exclamation dashboard. Get your UID in. You know, join up with the exchanges. There's some others that are participating next week. Just to my knowledge, I know that BLOFIN's got something big coming. I know that BTCC has something big coming, and KCEX, and who knows what else, but it's juice. Big giveaways. So get over there if you haven't yet. Make sure that you do all the same things that exclamation giveaway tells you. Get in the Discord. If you've been missing out, you can keep up to date with everything. In the dashboard, of course, you can keep up with everything. Game show last night, juice. Talent show tonight, juice. We got juice tomorrow, CPI. It's exciting. And then we got FOMC next week. They're still doing CPI, aren't they? Well, thank goodness we got Canada retail sales today. All right. We got the red folders. So, Forex Factory holding it down. They're not going to delay CPI on us again, hopefully. Hopefully it's not another testnet CPI. I know. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me. We were here. We were here. It is freezing for me here. So cold. I need to get all my computers on so it heats up my office. That's the one good thing about having some machines, right? You can heat your whole house. Let's go. Let's go. What are we working with? We juicing? Yeah, get over in that dashboard. Don't miss out. Big giveaways, and we haven't had too much giveaways the past few weeks, so you know you really want to make sure that you're ready for it. Yeah, new Lions. I mean, like. Back in the olden days, we would play marbles for giveaways, $25 giveaways. Now it's like $100 to like 100 Lions or something. Like, I mean, a lot more than that actually coming. It's gonna be amazing. That's crazy. Yeah, BTC. You know, it's the future of finance. It's the future of heating your houses, right? Let's go, Schwani. Minus 10 below. Oh my gosh. Where is that, Schwani? Jamaica, I see you. I see you. That's a good recovery. These lows aren't the greatest. These lows aren't the greatest. Really, after it started selling down into here, it was a divergence, but I thought that they would clean this one. It's an important level, though. We said it 2 days ago. We said it on Monday. What is today? Thursday? We said it on Tuesday, 2 days ago. That 107. We said it Friday, I guess. 107 is a pretty important level, more than just locally. It has been since like December. Good morning, 8 years, bro. Let's get it. Good morning. Hope all is well. Who was it saying my voice was low? Liamzy, let's get it. Shoutouts Housty. Shoutouts Buzzo. Shoutouts to the whole team. Big cheers. A lot of hard work going in for y'all. Yeah, I know CoinWise has some juice coming up. They got Single Prints Pro coming out in about 14 minutes. And then some big juice coming out next week as well. Yeah, I've seen a little bit of their video release schedule for the education. And it is juicy. And I think they might have a promotion coming up next week too. And some more features. It's a lot of juice. Like, shout outs to CoinWise. We've been loving their indicators though, haven't we? Raise your hand if you have been enjoying the CoinWise indicators. Let's go, Ramy. Let's go, Ramy. Yeah, the walking petri dish of baby Mandalo managed to pass the love on to me, and so I'm a little bit under the weather. But you know, that's not going to stop me from being here with my Lions. It just might shorten my duration. Let's lettuce. That's the last thing that I want to do with a cold. But I see you. I see you. Don't let me stop you. Shadow Dancer, let's go. Good morning. With 6.5 on your fib, Jamaica. Yeah. I mean, this is like the 886 again, isn't it? Worse. It's so annoying. It's because I like never save it. I just realized that as soon as I didn't save it again. Yeah, right to the 926 on the impulse. Sweet. 886ers are juicing. Yeah, but it's right in the zone. Swing high, swing ho. Let me get a swing high, swing ho in the chat. Can't survive without him, Adam. Let's get it. Good morning over to YouTube. Shoutouts to KIMBA AI. Shoutouts to Bobby Toxic Pedals. Stream Elements Jedi's Kirk. Let's go. Let's go. Hope all is well for the Lions. More coffee, not enough coffee. Yeah. Golden Go Poquito. Yeah, we have like 5,000 fucking lines on here. Let me get this thing clean. Yeah, Tuesday we were talking about cleaning these highs up here, the 113, 114 area. Who was confident that it was going to run this one also? That one was pretty obvious that they were going to push for it once they started closing above the 111, 112 area. You know, because if you break 111, 112 is next, right? You got cooked today, Kingpin? Yeah, I know. Yeah, they like to do that in ETH session. Yeah, that's a pretty good clean first single print held. And then that 113.7 area was a pretty important level. And swing fill that. First single print hold. But that was quite a reversal, wasn't it? Who juicing on this on the sweep short? A little bit of everything. Insistence. Do you want to see some of the footprint from EXO? I don't have the source in my OBS for desktop EXO on this layout or whatever. I need to get it in there. It's like so many resources to be running that one, but I can go over to hopefully some EXO real fast. A lot of shorts getting filled up here, but it's not really that much. It just looks like a lot. Longs TPing. How's that div? Kudo, exclamation Discord. Exclamation Discord. MSNR. Leonzi, what is that? Am I just like in the dark? Shout out to Buzzo. Kudo, let's go. That was almost a Kachoya. Forgot to close my door. Excuse me. Rules, let's go. How we doing? Good morning. Malaysian. Soul is pumping still. I mean, there's not really that much to look at up here. There wasn't any like aggressive top longs. That long was almost at the bottom, and they got stopped out almost immediately. Like that was kind of like
Catch the breakout before it fades. Any setup's better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Risk
nothing to
planned
see
out
here.
inside. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove.
And then EXO, like at least EXO Web has had these little glitch things happening a lot lately, haven't they?
I got my levels marked since dawn. Been
Red or green for the open, Schwani?
waiting for the whip to come along. Won't have to push too
What are you gonna vote?
Just a couple pips to hit TP1. You and I could lock
Yeah, sorry to hear it, Kingpin.
freedom that we've always dreamed of.
I would think Kingpin, if you hit your daily loss limit, then you know that's entirely up to you. I would suggest not going beyond your limit. If it's a limit, you have these rules for a reason, right? We got CPI tomorrow also. You want to like gamble the day before CPI? But if you do, make sure that you exclamation BLOFIN, exclamation dashboard, and doing it on our exchanges. Just kidding, bro. But if you haven't won yet, make sure that you get your UIDs in the dashboard, especially for BLOFIN and KCEX and BTCC, because we got some amazing giveaways coming in real soon. So shout outs to BLOFIN. Let's go. I'm trading all three on them. Trading on all three of them myself. Yeah. But don't take my word for it. Do your own research, see for yourself. I just know that we got great fees over there. And yeah, the UI is solid. I think I've been on BLOFIN for like 2 years now. Ever since we first started using it. I've never had any issues. Yeah, it's great. It's great. Yeah. I'm crying. I'm so happy. Let's go. All right, let's get over to like some real charts again. I was thinking I was gonna nerd out on this, but we got market open coming. And I'm struggling. Bad highs. I think we got some room to go. It's definitely getting bought up from VWAP. We had 2 single prints this morning. You know, usually when you have multiple single prints, it's unusual for them to all fill right away. But being that they formed during ETH, that's a little bit of a different story. Still, they often will end up holding. Not really that much volume. I mean, it's to be expected for ETH anyways, but you know, it is what it is. We'll look at heat maps in a little bit once the market opens. I kind of was looking at this zone up here, and that's a pretty natural stopping point or resistance point, that little wick, and inefficiency fill. Next zone, kind of around here, you got previous week volume point of control. Shout out to CoinWise levels, exclamation CoinWise. And there is a little bit of other confluence up there. That's previous day value area, or day before yesterday value area high. Yeah, previous month VWAP, that was a pretty cool little sweep. Monthly open and single print grab yesterday, no, Tuesday. Yeah, and this is still that same kind of zone, but you know, we first need to turn this area, weekly VWAP, previous week VWAP, into support. That 110 is one of the more important levels in this range. So we're just like kind of hanging out around here, and if I had all of the things lit up, there's like 4 more important levels just based on volume and TPO in this little cluster through here in like the 110, 109, 108 area. It's a really, really important area, and it's kind of funny and almost poetic that we're consolidating here coming into CPI end of the month and FOMC next week. Yeah, it's a pretty important zone. The math is the math. Do we got ding ding ding? Baby gap on index. Almost a gap fill. Is it adjusted? Baby gap. And then little gap up. We still are gapping, huh? Yeah, that weekly VWAP might be interesting. And these lows are just, I mean, that was a sweep yesterday, but it's not really super great. What is great is that it held the gap still. So bulls, I see you. Bears, I see you. It's a lot of juicing, huh? Look at that, dip the tip on S&P.
KIMBA, it's time to juice.
And no gap on ES.
10,000 hours in, look where we at now. From the bottom to the charts, that's the map now. Facts. KIMBA gang in the building, whole crowd staying proud. Subathon lit, let's get loud. Every late night, early morning, man, I paid that toll. Back days on the desk.
Yeah, that was a good little sweep yesterday. Maybe weekly VWAP on ES also. Yeah, naked point of control, but if we get up here, if we start turning that into support, I think the highs are going to be challenged. Still probably have some resistance if it makes it all the way up to here above VWAP. Maybe up to like this zone. 59 to 69. But anything more than that, you got like 6,800 and the highs. Yeah, so it's a solid hold here. These lows are bad though. So start changing structure. Would forget about them for a little while. Yeah, we'll check Soul JP. Are you juicing? Hey, hi to all the gang bang. Let's go, 83rd. Sash Kunkis. Let's go. Let's go.
Juiciest Lines Records.
They said KIMBA gang was just a phase. Look around, who's still here?
like through gammas. There's a gigantic Boo Gamma Dilda at like right around 6,600 on regular S&P. So that could be interesting. That could be interesting as the day develops. Good morning, Indo Lion. But most of the volume, most of the gammas are up at like higher, like pretty close to where we are, maybe a little higher from us. Yeah, it's a big cluster. Yeah, right around the highs. Imagine that, you have a whole lot of Boo Gammas right around the all-time highs, like these bad highs and these bad highs. You think it's TPs? Yeah. Exclamation YouTube, get caught up. Exclamation YouTube, exclamation BTC live for the bookmap. Who was it that was asking me about bookmap? Kingpin Larry? Yeah. That's a smart decision. You were trading gold. Oh man, we were charting gold the other day. If you didn't see it, we were talking about it. That was quite a move, wasn't it? Shit, sorry to hear it, brother. You traded it on BTCC? You traded on like a broker exchange. Melly in my list. I was just gonna pull up some XAU. Whew. $4,000 BTFD. Yeah, we looked at this like 4,000 to 4060 area. Like through here. It's kind of like an area that we were interested in, especially with those lows that were there. For a bullish retest. And then nice little failed auction down here. The lows aren't great, but I mean, that's pretty normal. And we're back above monthly VWAP. That's a good thing. Are they going to recover after CPI, or is it going to be after FOMC? Or are we going to keep going and testing lower? I'm just going based on the structure. You said at first gold going to 10K. What, it only took 2 years to go from like 2K to 4K, right? When those licks hit, gold is the future of finance. If you haven't ever heard about gold, it is a valuable asset. I'll check palladium because I started getting interested in about that after maybe Band-Aid was trading it the other day. What were we looking in? Here, I think. Yeah, reclaim of weekly VWAP. That was pretty good. I wish I had drawn on this chart, but it swept to clean that. That was nice. Yeah, that was pretty nice. Terrible asset to hold. I mean, boomers are laughing right now though. The ones that have been trading gold since like the 70s and 80s. Hitman Gucci, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, Hitman Gucci. Bezalek. Yeah. Let's start looking at the real future of finance, Solana. Oh, we got to get our points in too. I mean, clearly S&P is the future of finance. We got some big gammas above. Liamzi, what are we trying to nerd out on? Nerd out on the dashboard. We got huge giveaways coming. New Lions guaranteed a BLOFIN giveaway. Get your things, your UIDs in the dashboard. Exclamation giveaway, exclamation dashboard. And for all the OGs and veterans, we got some big stuff coming for y'all too. So let's go get your things. Make sure that UIDs are updated. If you don't have them in at all, double check them things because you got a juice on KIMBA TV, juice on KIMBA, juice on BLOFIN, and juice on BTCC and KCEX. Let's go. We need that BTCC slide, or the BTC slide song, don't we? I wonder if it's on this playlist. That's not it, but I like this song. I don't know what the name of all the songs are. This is a good one though. You guys have music, don't you? Sounds all right. Let's go, Jay Sucks. How we doing? It's a too loud? Somebody asked me to turn it up the other day. I think that might be what's going on with it. Mark, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go over to Soul. ETH had a good recovery too, even after it was looking so poor. You know, the past day or so. What did I do? What was our first 5 minute? Green. Like, there's no question. It's supposed to be off of Binance, but I mean, there's no question that that was green. I'll pay those things out. GG Bulls. ETH's hoeing. What in the hell template is this? Why did it just get that color? Quit playing with me. It's got to be testnet. It's got to be testnet. It's got to be testnet.
KIMBA. It's time to juice.
Oops. I'm not going to play with that right now. Look at that. 5-minute charts. I don't ever put it on 5-minute charts. Who hacked my trading view? God damn it. Oh, that's why it was that color. I'm just stupid. Y'all, that's a cachoya. Yeah, this is an important pivot zone. It was previous, like, end of the world support, and now consolidating here. It's really doing the same thing that Biddy is doing. It just was like more substantial of a pullback to get here. Cocktail party effect. You need quieter music. Let's get it on just like the Mandalo Nerd Out playlist. I didn't think it was that loud. It's like all the way in the bottom of green. Okay, insistence. You guys are freaking me out here. We'll just get some nerd out vibes for a few minutes. We'll hype it up for the end. ETH. I mean, bad highs. Right at weekly VWAP. It's kind of doing the same thing as Biddy, just like not as nice a structure. Yeah, at least it held down here at the 3600. And I have been saying it for a long time. This box is like 2 months old. Let's go, Gypsy. Big cheers, brother. Gypsy's killing it. Raptorus, let's go. Ash, good morning. How are we doing? Ash, I did not even see Trump's announcement. Dude, I'm in my own universe. Is it upcoming or he already did it? Mostly, I mean, other than... I'm great, brother. Hope you're good, too. Thank you. Yeah, I'm a little under the weather, but it's all Gucci. It's all Gucci. This is a rough week, kind of. But nothing we can't handle. Yeah, Sol, nice recovery from that 170s area. And what is that point of control from? So far ago, we can't even drag the chart back. Yeah, from the bottom. So 170, that 173 zone. Look at that. That's to the pixel. That was from like way back here. Pretty crazy. And still, oh well, I mean, Sol is like actually looking stronger with it trading above weekly VWAP already. Yeah, that is like, I mean, for bulls, it's nice it's all going up. That is the most atrocious, hideous fucking buying channel though. Like for that to be sustained. It's all good though. Get above 183. You know, turn that into support. That high is bad. Especially when you start to throw in this area into the mix. Previous quarter VWAP, that's funny. Nice little rejection. Shoutouts Coinwise. Bom dia, Gypsy. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Gypsy, much love, brother. Grim, how we doing? Raimi, let's go. Yeah, Raptorus, go on the Sol BTC and the Sol ETH charts. Look at them. It's worth taking a look at. I know a lot of people look at that a little bit more heavily. We've been charting like ETH BTC and DOT BTC and like all kinds of things, but some people put some more weight into like Sol ETH, especially the altcoin enjoyers. Gustavo, let's get it. Making everything deal with China. We're so back. Let's go, Ash. Yeah, well, we're exclamation prepared. We'll play it day by day until then. And if it happens, it's in the charts. It really is. Other than like maybe just getting like a gigantic dildo green candle. Like, we're not really marketing in right now, are we? We're not going super heavy right now. We already, like, kind of held the zone. Unless we were sleeping when that happened, which has been the case pretty often for North America and South America lately. BNB still just, like, forming value in this area. It's kind of above that, that important level. Now, failed auction below, bad lows though. Yeah, weak. Is that in the same session? Is it poor lows? Yeah, how about that trend line? That was a garbage trend line, by the way. It was in the same session. So poor lows and weak lows. But it doesn't matter because we just made a higher high. It needs to take this. But that's a TPO good high. So, you know, it's a little bit less, little bit reduced probability of just going and hunting it. But BNB is still strong. It's holding the level. DOT, I mean, I'm just like kind of sad looking at this. It's getting back above the level. You got to give it credit for that. It reclaimed it. But I mean, just like chipping away down here. If Bitcoin sneezes below 108, 107, I think that these lows are going to get taken. And who knows what support below that. You You know, those are like all-time lows on Coinbase. Is that our next song? Let's hope not. Jamaica, sadly, ETH, Soul, Sui, Hype, Doge, Dot, are like the main ones. I'm like kind of a little bit of Crow, and I still have some SHIB. Like a handful of other like small bags. Tau. It's like hard to even remember them all. AVAX a tiny bit. Yeah, I think I still have some CRV. They're just in like basically cold wallets. Yeah, I just like play with some of the others. It just depends on like the action. Oh, near a little bit. I like Sui. I like Hype. Yeah, but I've kind of pretty much blew all my bags on Liquidity Alliance. Let's go. Shout out to Liquidity Alliance holders. Hype is juicing. Let's look at it. Crow's still in that same $14 range. Yeah, that's a good recovery. Right at that anchor VWAP and monthly VWAP. Really had a nice spring off of daily VWAP. Yeah, got back above right after the initial balance, weekly VWAP, and held it. That was nice. These lows are just very not good. But breaking structure, that's a good thing. Yeah, probably this like 41 is a interesting area, and then if you take 41, then 42 is next. Yeah, that 41, you got that high and you got monthly VWAP. If you flip that into support, you know, maybe it kind of like comes from here and you start just like kind of stairs up higher. You start closing back below that, like the 38, the mid 38s. You know, it's not as good of a thing. But Hype is a high time frame play for most people. Unless Bitcoin gets a close, like a bearish close. Today's a more of a bullish looking day. Personally, I'm not looking to ape anything. It's like low time frame trades, if anything, today with CPI tomorrow. Sui, it just had strength. It's like got good fundamentals. At least it did when I got interested in it. And yeah, it's a layer 1. But I kind of got into it like earlier with a spot bag, and then started trading it when it got like more interesting. It's a cool one. It's got some strength too. A lot of times, not always. I don't even know the unlocking schedule at this point, though. I haven't like kept up super hard. I'm just like chilling in spot. It's at 3 p.m. That'll be interesting. Good thing I'll be IRL working. That fucking sucks. I'll be able to catch the end of it like right at the close. What a bummer. Shout outs to all the people that are juggling more than one thing. Shout outs to BLOFIN. All the new lions get your UIDs in the dashboard. Like, I'm telling you, even $100, it can change your life. Exclamation dashboard. Let's go. Yeah, it's, I mean, layer 1, like, Sol or ETH as well. Yeah. I think BNB is built on, is BNB a layer 1? Like, I don't know. I guess so. I thought it was built on ETH. You like, yeah, I know you do, JLab. I liked them until that whole thing with their fucking founder or whatever. And then I am a little bit more apprehensive about it. But it's still cool. Raptorist. It can change your life, and quite a few lions have juiced that $100 into 4 or 5 figures. Yeah. We get some great traders here. I mean, you can juice it with some solid decision making and risk management. Really, really juice it. Yeah, I've seen a few people that turned it into like 10K, even more than that. Not all in one trade though. Yeah, and you have to actually trade it too. You have to trade it also, because it's it doesn't last forever. Make sure you use it to practice, use it to kind of cushion your stop losses a little bit. Use it to learn, or just use it to juice if you're already there. Shouts to PSG. I know some of the PSGs. Yeah, 1000x for one trade. I don't even know what the leverage is on all of the exchanges are. I haven't like dried my slider all the way up. But I heard that they were like increasing them on some of our exchanges. I'm not like going above, not going above 30x like ever. Maybe like 50. But I'm usually like 5 or 10, if that. Yeah, it's just people have that itch though, Curvies. Shout outs to y'all if you're successful in doing that. That is just like straight gamba in my opinion. It takes a rare person to be able to juice on like that. I mean, it's a different thing if you like it's for margining, and you just increase the leverage to like pull margin out if you're able to do that. But if you're just like straight fucking marketing a 1000x or something, you have very little room for error. Let's go, Gustavo. In the next few hours, Gustavo, I don't know. We've opened gold. I don't know about the next few hours. I think, and somebody was talking about a Trump thing. It has the structure that is not the greatest structure. It's looking more bullish than bearish, but this is not good right here. And that's not that great right there. And that's not the best of lows down here. So structurally speaking, it could swing fail up here. If it is a swing fail and starts to lose VWAP, I would be concerned for just like a short-term trade. If it continues just grinding, I would be less worried. But you got weekly VWAP up there, like single print fill, VWAP tap. That's kind of an interesting area for a potential reaction. You get closes up here, I will look for a retest. You looking to get filled, or you just looking to not get stopped out, Gustavo? J-Sucks, is the music better for y'all? Let's go, El Boris. Let's go. Shout outs to you. Let's go, Ludo. Yeah, shout outs to CoinWise. We got every level that we could ever want. VWAPs. I mean, we broke out of value. It's looking pretty good up there. Previous day and our daily value. Composite as well. Like, I can look at it and tell you that it broke out above value area. Ever so slightly. Amazing, isn't it? And this is TVC though, so yeah, let's look at XAU. Mini utilities. I'm not looking at that. The fuck? I mean, all the levels are the same. Gold bond. Seeing that gold bond, I just think of like the Shaq commercial. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Just watch out for a swing fail. Flip. Tesla. I'm sure everybody doesn't want to see boomer markets. They want to see shit coins. Here's a good shit coin. Exclamation coin wise. Let's go, El Boris. Yeah, loving it. Loving it. My friend's dad owns like 45 McDonald's, and his Aston Martin has a license plate that says loving it. You gotta be loving it. That's not really even that much, but like, shout out to McDonald's. Which of the Lions are trading McDonald's stock? Thanks, J-Sucks. Hold VWAP. Hold VWAP. I'm fading, y'all. Exclamation dashboard, come check out our talent show tonight. Should be a great time. And then tomorrow we got CPI. It's gonna be juice. Are we gonna come in above or below? You think it's gonna affect rate cuts next week? Are we getting rate cuts next week? The forecasts are so lazy. They're like, oh yeah, it was like 0.3 last time. Well, I think we're gonna forecast at 0.3 this time also. You think it's gonna come in? They'll just revise it later anyway, so like, don't worry. ETH, I mean, like, for God's sakes. But it was a bad low that we were forming here. New Lions, while you're checking that stream schedule, make sure you get your UIDs in the dashboard, especially on BLOFIN. Shoutouts to BLOFIN, shoutouts to KIMBA. Pretty much guaranteed for New Lions, if you haven't won a BLOFIN yet, to win a giveaway very soon. It may even be tonight, it may even be tomorrow. You gotta tune in and find out. But get your things up in the dashboard. Yeah, make sure you put your UIDs in exclamation giveaway. Yeah, I mean, it's value area low, you can see that, but like that whole like buying channel is just like ass. Yeah, a little grind upward through Asia session is, they came and got the liquidity, like came into resistance, like, I don't know. And I apologize if I don't seem too enthused today. It just is kind of one of those pre-big numbers days, especially since we delayed CPI. And so they kept dragging it out forever. I think we're gonna get some fireworks. Maybe later today, probably tomorrow though. So make sure that you're here early, exclamation dashboard, get over there. And make sure you lock in for our stream in the morning as well. But we got plenty of things coming up all through the day. Until then, it's the inhale before the big exhale. Swollen, I see you. I see you. That's right, Buzzo. Shoutouts to Buzzo. Hooey, Vala Vala. What do you think? Is that one? Clean this. Resistance there. Almost at previous week VWAP. Value area low, maybe. But you got to get there. There's a whole lot between here and there. Point of control way up here. Get below that. You at least have some support. You have weekly and daily VWAP. Some other things. Previous week, point of control, volume. And you had that single print as well. But start closing below that. And then, I mean, this is a pretty important area. And it's a good hold here, but bad lows collectively. All right, I'm going to get this chart back up, and I'm going to get over to boomers one last time. And then I'm going to probably wind down. I'm feeling sick, and I have a shitload of IRL work. I got to do like a seminar today, teach a seminar. And I got some other things I got to do. Hey, shout out to CoinWise. They just released the juiciest single prints video I've ever seen in Single Prints Pro. What a series. That's fucking bangers. I got to preview it. Yeah, it's juice. Exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, they got some volume videos coming out real soon. I think next week is going to be a big juicer all around for KTV, for CoinWise, for BLOFIN, for KCEX, for BTCC, and of course for our motherfucking Lions. Let's go. Let's go. Exclamation Discord, exclamation dashboard, exclamation CoinWise. Shout outs PSG. Much love. I know you juicing. Latisse, Mark, Swollen. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, that's your little pullback is ran into resistance right up here. Imagine that. I wish I had drawn it on here so I could have been like, see? But I was like that. Right. It was like right here. It's gotta be testnet. It's gotta be testnet. It's gotta be testnet. It's gotta be testnet. Yeah, glitch. It's too easy. Do I invest on the indexes or in them? Yeah, I'll do like a little bit of like option plays, but mostly it's like stock holds. Yeah, I just have like bags on it. Little things, and there's a little Tesla, little Nvidia. Couple other things. S&P. Yeah, I am technically drawing that box after the fact, but that is where I pointed out beforehand. So I'm just going to like take credit for that being a good call earlier. And if y'all don't like it, then, you know, exclamation rewind. S&P and NQ. No, I'll just like do like little trades on it. Yeah, but not like just holding. And it's pretty rarely these days, honestly. I was doing like 0 days. I guess it was last year. A lot more. I've been so busy. It's hard to like keep up with that as much. But God, man, like seeing this every single day and just like It's like, why am I doing this? Like, why am I why am I working? I should be fucking just like doing 0 days. It's that vicious cycle though, isn't it? And I don't want to have to rely on it. I wish I had more to invest in Nvidia. Oh my god. That is juice swollen. That is juice. Cuckoo Deliciosa, do you? That is juice. Yeah, I got on some Tesla before they did the 10 to 1. Like way back. And some other little things. My dad got me into some boomer things. He's into bonds. He's like full boomer. Yeah, I know we don't have music. I'm about to get the outro music going. Yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm kind of sick. And shout outs to Digflex and Hegemonia over there on YouTube. I'm kind of sick and I have like hella work to do. I mean, he sort of is. He sort of is. He was doing like... He was doing some reckless shit back in the day. He was telling me about like the Wild West old days. It's pretty funny. But yeah, he knows a thing or two. So that's pretty cool. Thanks, Baratina. I appreciate it. He's like a different animal. Like the old generation, they're like not even hardly any TA. They just like... I don't even know how they do it. And they like see like all this stuff that we do. And they're like, what in the fuck is all that? Like, dude, I told you it was going to go there. I told you to like take some profits there. Okay. I'll just listen to you. Big cheers. Big cheers. He's like, dude, you've only been here for like how long? I remember when you were swimming in my balls. And I'm gonna listen to you. You know. Shout outs to all the lions. Exclamation dashboard. Big BLOFIN giveaway coming. If you're a new lion, you still have even a better chance than everybody else on BLOFIN. And then we got some big giveaways for everyone coming up very soon too. It's going to be a juicy week. Juicy end of the week, juicy end of the month. It's going to be juice. I know, right, Manaka? Big cheers. Big cheers. Yeah, exclamation giveaway, exclamation dashboard. We got some other events happening tonight. We got a talent show tomorrow. We got CPI. I think we have a market close stream tomorrow as well. And then all kinds of juice for futures resumption and big week, FOMC week next week. CoinWise got some sick ass stuff coming out. Best single print video I've ever seen just came out today. It's juice. I think they have a big promotion coming. And some more features about to be released and in development. It's juice. More than just indicators as well. More than just education. So it's going to be juice. Yeah, shout outs to the team over in CoinWise. Shout outs to all the mods, admins, and developers over here in KTV. Much love to you all. Shouts to OGs, veterans. Shoutouts to the new lions. We all gone juice together. Exclamation Discord. We're a big community. We're a family. Exclamation Dom. Exclamation Too Fast, Too Furious. Much love. Family. Family. Shout out Sven. Much love to you all. Shout outs to PSG. Have a wonderful day. Have an amazing Thursday. I will see you bright and early tomorrow. Let's go, Extreme Maple Vanilla. Bugatti, Mark, Liamzi, Shawarma, Lapide, Manaka, Mark, Cuca Deliciosa. Yeah, absolutely, Mark. I wish I had more time that I could be able to spend with the Lions. I really, really enjoy every minute that I'm here with y'all. I apologize, I'm under the weather. Yeah, Lex Slayer, we're gonna get it. CPI tomorrow, finally, and we're gonna be here. You gonna be here? You're on the West Coast, aren't you? That's early. We're gonna get it. I know what Cuca Deliciosa means, Baratina. I was here. Baratina. Let's go. Big cheers. Yeah, don't ask Buzz what Mandalo means. It means something else in Macedonian or in other languages as well. Buzzo, don't tell him. Let's go. Let's go. Swollen, Mark, Latisse. Much love, Buzz. Much love, all of you. Let's go for a weed. Yeah, it's always good hangs. Cheers, my mate Nate. Thanks, brother. Thanks. Your girl stopped by at all lately? Make sure that she says hey next time she's here. Hope everything's well for you, brother. Thank you. Yep, hope you all have a great day. J-Buck, Xenon, Indolion. Big cheers, thank you. I just hope that all the Lions are juicing and have a great day. If Sato, oh yeah, if you don't use a stop loss, Sato gonna slap the shit out ya. Yeah. Oh, she's watching? That's great. Hello, Mrs. My Mate Nate. Hope you have a great day as well. Couldn't have picked a better man to do it with. Let's go. Let's go. Casa Trader, Xenon, J-Bucks, Indolion, Casa, Yurtik. Shoutouts to KIMBA AI. All. Oh, I don't know. It might have been like an auto thing. Casa. Oh, it's like a banned term or something. Like, don't worry about it. Yeah, we don't even have GIF commands right now because while Kimba's on his sabbatical, we don't know how to fix, like, if we fuck up the stream. If we break it, then we bought it, and I can't afford it. Good lord. Yeah. Well, big cheers. Hello, Bumbule. Yeah, we're just wrapping up. But we did some juicy things. We got a great day ahead of us. Got some other things going on. Later, got talent show. We got CPI in the morning. We got some giveaways incoming imminently, even for the new Lions. They even have a amazing, almost guaranteed chance of winning. So make sure you get in the dashboard and put your UIDs in for our exchanges, especially for BLOFIN, KCEX, and BTC for the immediate future. And if anything else comes up, which I know that we're working on, that'll get added to the list too. Shout outs to all the exchanges though, and shout outs to all the Lions that have a chance to win. Big cheers to you all. Big shout outs to CoinWise. Much love. I hope you all have a great day. Casa, good to see you as well. Yeah, much love to you all. Pedro. This this channel is an amazing place. Exclamation Discord and exclamation dashboard. So hold on, let me try to share the thing over there on YouTube, because I don't know if that exclamation command works. But oh, I can't even do it. I'm not logged in over in Buzz, can you share for Pedro over in the YouTube, please? It's in the other one, dude. Yeah, but you can try to join up on the dashboard. You have like almost a guaranteed chance of having like some bonus funds that you can practice with. And the Discord's an amazing place for learning and like-minded individuals all trying to improve and you know, become profitable or more profitable and learn. It's an amazing community. And yeah, of course the YouTube, you have more than 3 years of highlights and analysis that you can use to speed up your learning curve. Shout outs, Buzz. Thank you. Thank you so much, brother. Yeah, so best of luck, Pedro. I hope to see you in here again soon. And ask any questions in your process in the Discord or just whenever we're on stream. We're happy to help. We're just like-minded people who are trying to nerd out and juice up. Isn't that right, Lions? Exclamation welcome to Pedro. Big cheers to Calling Noob, Liamzi, Ononagad. Big cheers. Thank you for the resub. All right, I'm out of here. Much love, gang. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Shoutouts Pipeline. Shoutouts PSG. Shoutouts BLOFIN. Shoutouts Cornwise. Much love, Lions, mods, everyone. Big cheers.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.